We have to keep Delhi as the capital of India, but we have to decongest it.
Moving capital is a huge infrastructural and resource spent cost is going to be very high.
So why are we even talking about shifting capitals? Delhi is used to being shamed every year on the global pollution meter, finding a dishonorable mention, usually at the top of the rankings of the most polluted cities. And that is also the latest trigger for this question Shashi Tharoor put out. Should Delhi even remain the nation's capital?
We put that question to the people of Delhi.
आई डोंट थिंक कि कोई और सिटी इतना डेवलप है जितना दिल्ली है. दिल्ली में सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं. एंड सेकेंडली अगर हम किसी भी स्टेट को कैपिटल बनाएंगे तो उधर ही सारे लोग जाएंगे, फिर वहाँ पोल्यूशन होगा.
दूसरा रहे या ना रहे, यह राजधानी है देश की, इसको तो रखना है, बशर्ते इसको वैकल्पिक व्यवस्था सोचना होगा कि कैसे इसका निदान हो.
Demographically, Delhi should remain the capital of India because of the Parliament House and everything, all those structures, the infrastructure that we have in Delhi. We don't have to remove that from Delhi, right? We have to remove pollution from Delhi.
शुरू से ही हमारा दिल्ली कैपिटल रहा है और ये अगर चेंज हुआ हो भी रहा ना तो दिल्ली विल टेक अ स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन. जो दिल्ली की जनता है वो बहुत सेंसिटिव है, वो बहुत सवाल उठाएगी. उसको बर्दाश्त ही नहीं होगा कि दिल्ली को हम चेंज कर रहे हैं.
दिल्ली से बेटर कई और शहर है जो अच्छी कैपिटल बन सकते हैं. यहाँ दिल्ली में बहुत ज़्यादा लोड हो चुका है, इसलिए पॉल्यूशन ज़्यादा हो रहा है. पूरे देश के लोग आ चुके हैं रहने, तो चेंज करना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से. तो
If Delhi will be not the capital of India, then which city will be?
Delhi has been the capital of India for thousands of years, barring a short period of time when the East India Company moved in and the British controlled the country from Calcutta. And yes, while Delhi may be far more polluted than other Indian cities, this map shows that they aren't trailing far behind. This situation was in November, which is usually the peak of Delhi's pollution. If an AQI value of 50 or below represents good air quality, cities like Patna, Kolkata and Mumbai had crossed that number manyfold. Home to more than 7 crore people, Delhi NCR is also measuring its air quality far better than other cities. There are 40 air quality monitoring stations in Delhi, and Haryana and Uttar Pradesh will be adding over 50 stations to those already existing in NCR. As other cities are fast getting polluted, Delhi is transitioning to cleaner fuel. There are virtually no commercial diesel vehicles on the road, and petrol cars over 15 years and diesel cars over 10 years are being taken off roads. Delhi's robust public transport network now reaches the far corners of NCR, and the city is also experimenting with hydrogen buses. And as China has shown with its transformation of Beijing, you can clean up capitals.